Needed tools: rag, watering can, tape measure, knife, and scrubber. Measure the size of the window and cut out an appropriate size of the glass film. Clean the dust off the windows. Pour soapy water into the watering can. If there is no soapy water, you can use water directly. Spray the soapy water evenly on the glass window. Tear off the back release film of the glass film. Spray soapy water evenly on the adhesive side. Stick the glass film on the glass window directly. Use a scraper to remove air bubbles. If there is no scraper, you can also use a bank card instead. Finally, cut off the excess glass film.